Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do builder base attacks. First, always scout the enemy base carefully to identify key defenses and potential trap locations. Understanding your troops' unique abilities is crucial for effective deployment. Plan your attack path to funnel troops towards the builder hall, aiming for a 2-star or 3-star victory. Strategic troop placement can help you avoid unnecessary damage from traps and powerful defenses. Selecting the right troop composition is vital for success. A balanced army, perhaps with a mix of ground and air units, offers versatility against various base layouts. Deploy your battle machine early to clear peripheral structures and create a clear path. Raged barbarians provide significant damage, especially when supported, while night witches are excellent for both air offense and absorbing damage with their summoned bats. Advanced tactics can significantly boost your attack success. Funneling troops ensures they target high-priority defenses like the Mega Tesla or Multi-Mortar. Time your battle machine's electric hammer ability to maximize its damage and healing. Sneaky archers can snipe isolated buildings from afar, while a mass deployment of certain troops like Boxer Giants can overwhelm defenses quickly, securing a high percentage. To consistently win, avoid common mistakes. Never deploy all your troops in a single cluster. This makes them vulnerable to splash damage. Always monitor your battle machine's health and activate its ability before it's destroyed. Regularly experiment with different army compositions to find what works best for you. Finally, review your attack replays to identify errors and refine your strategies for future battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.